As you can see from the title of this video, today I'm gonna unbox my uke. Okay, so disclaimer, I ordered my uke in January and I couldn't do an unboxing, so I'm gonna do it now. So I've arranged it all back the way it came. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the Kala Waterman ukulele. It came in this box. Pretty, right? I ordered this from bajao.com at an amazing discount deal. Go check that website out. I was gonna order it from Amazon and it was better there at bajao.com, so I ordered it from there. So let's begin. So this is the box. That's my uke. It's there. I'm gonna show. So it came. Ta-da! So, and this is my first instrument, by the way. I was really hoping that I learn a new instrument in 2018, so I have ordered this. I thought it would be really easy for me. It just has 4 strings and it's so small, so little, and so pretty too, and it'll be easier for me to work with it. So I thought I'll order it. So I've done it, and it comes in really good colors like green, pink was there was one dark purple color, but I thought this would be the best suited color for me as I like teal and pink, if you know what I mean, if you're watching. Okay, and it came along with this little, I don't know what it is, I sometimes use it as a pick, but it's not that surely. I think it's a name tag, and I'll just put it down. Yeah, so it's a name tag, I think, and then there is this little mini quick start guide. It has a song at the back along with the chords, and yeah, all that, how to play, how to strum, blah blah. And they have given the links to 2 very good apps actually, the Kala Tuner app and another one is the Xoxo app. I have used this and it has a great collection of songs from where you can learn the songs, and it's really good for beginners. I think you guys should check it out if you are learning to play any instrument. They have all the instruments, I guess. And yeah, so this was it. And another great thing that it came along with was, just a second, this. Yeah, this is a very cool, what do you call it? It's a pouch kind of thing. It's a tote bag, sorry, it's a tote bag, yeah. It has the Waterman by Kala logo on it, and it's very convenient. If I take my uke along somewhere, it won't get damaged or dirty or anything like that. And the material of this bag inside is also really good. I mean, anyways, yeah, that was all. This is the uke. Let's just play something, shall we? Give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.